Hi there, just going to show you how to top dress a pot where you're growing perennials, or as I've got a shrub. I've got a perennials growing in this pot here. Sorry about the kitten scampering around, she's got very excited this morning. Okay, so the first thing to do is to scrape off the first couple of inches of the soil. I've already done a bit here, and dig up any weeds that have found their way into the pot. Pick out any old leaves. Just tidy up the surface of the soil here and take off those rather tired bits of compost at the top there. Okay, it looks like it's dwindled a bit anyway. And then we're going to replace it with fresh compost, fresh peat-free compost, right over the surface of the soil here, just to make it, oh, there's a leaf in that as well, right over the surface there to feed the plant, and then finish off with a top dressing. I've actually got potting grit here, but you might want something much more decorative. You could even use pebbles, whatever you want, just over the surface of the soil, just to finish it. Oh, I'm going to need a bit more than that, but that's the idea, just to refresh the plant in the pot, ready for this summer. Okay.